Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class 5th, subject maths. This is our chapter 5. Name of the chapter is Simple Interest and this is our lecture number 3. Today's subtopics are we will do statement sums, of exercise 5C. Horse we will do. Questions 1 and 2. And along with this we will do worksheet question. These are based on calculating the principal, period of time and rate of interest which we have done in previous lecture. Let's start with our exercise 5C and question number 1. Time is given 4 years. Rate, interest is given. Interest is equal to rupees 400. Rate is given 5% per annum. And we have to find principal. Right. So let's start the solution. First of all, write down the given terms which are given. Time 4 years, rate 5% per annum, interest rupees 400. Now we have to write down the formula for finding out the principal which we have done in previous lecture. So you all know that principal is equal to interest multiplied by 100 divided by rate into time. Interest is given rupees 400 into 100 upon rate 5% per annum multiply time. Time is 4 years. Right? Now 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0. It is 10,000 divided by 5 rupees. Now 10,000 divided by 5 will give you 5 twos are 10, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0. So principal is rupees 2,000. Understood? You can do more cancellation here. 5 and 100. Some more questions are also there in this exercise which are based only on this simple formula. So the questions I am going to give in your assignment and in your homework. Now we will do horse. Horse question number 1. Find the principal which gives an amount of rupees 4,116 at the rate of 8% for 5 years. to find the principal. If amount is given to us, rate is given, time is given. So first of all, we will write down amount is equal to rupees 4,116. Rate 8% per annum. Time 5 years. We have to find out principal. We can find out principal if we have amount and interest. But here in this question, interest is also not given. So we will assume let principal is equal to rupees 100. Let means हमने माना. Let principal is equal to rupees 100. अगर हमने principal 100 rupees लिया, then what will be interest? E into R into T upon 100. Principal is now 100 rupees. Rate 8% per annum. Time 5 years upon 100. 100 cancel. So interest is equal to rupees 40. 8 5s are 40. If our principal is 100 rupees, then interest is rupees 40. Now interest we have calculated. Amount we can calculate a principal plus interest. Principal हमने क्या माना 100. Interest rupees 40. So amount is rupees 140. ये amount हमें कब मिला? When our principal is 100 rupees. So we will write down if amount is rupees 140, then principal is equal to rupees 100. If amount is rupee 1, then principal 100 upon 140. This we have done in unitary method also. Right? If amount is, now the amount which is given in our question, 4,116, then principal. अगर ये हमारा amount है तो principal क्या होगा? Now we are going to calculate. Rupees 100 upon rupees 140 multiplied by rupees 4,116. Cancel the 0. Now we will cancel it with the table of 2. 2 7s are 40. 2 2s are 4. 2 0s are 0. 2 5s are 10. 2 8s are 60. Now 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 9s are 63. 7 4s are 28. If you don't know how to do cancellation, then you can do multiplication of this 4,116 with 100 or with 10 and divide with denominator. Now we are left with rupees 294 multiplied by 10. It will become 2,940. Now we have got our answer that if amount is 4,116, then principal is rupees 2,940. So principal is equal to rupees 2,940. Right? What's question number 2? How much money would you need to invest at 3% interest to earn rupees 87 in 6 months. हाउ मच मनी वुड यू नीड टू इन्वेस्ट, आपको कितना मनी इन्वेस्ट करने की लगाने की जरूरत है। अगर 3% रेट है और इंटरेस्ट 87 रुपीज मिलता है 6 मंथ के लिए, तो आप कितने रुपीज लगाएंगे। मीन्स वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट हियर प्रिंसिपल, राइट, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट प्रिंसिपल। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द गिवन टर्म्स, आवर सॉल्यूशन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इंटरेस्ट इज गिवन टू अस rupees 87. Rate is given 3%. Time is given 6 months. And we have done in previous lecture, if it is given in months, we will divide by 12 and our time will become in years. Got it? Now you can cancel 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, or you can take it the same in the next process. Now we have to calculate principal. Principal we know is the formula for finding out the principal. Interest multiply 100 upon rate multiply time. Okay. Now interest rupees 87 multiply 100 upon rate. Rate is 3%. No need to write percent. 3 multiply by 6 upon 12. Now see, this 12 is denominator, which will move to upward here with numerator term. So our number will become 87 into 100 into 12. I am going to take this above. The next step I am writing here. Principal will become rupees 87 multiply 100 upon 3 into 6 upon 12. 12 will become numerator. Right? Now 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. Now we have 29 2s are 58 multiply by 100. 58 multiply 100, 5,800. This is our principal. Got it? Now we will do worksheet question number 3. Question number 3 from worksheet. Rupees 7. Question number 3 is rupees 7,500 amounts to rupees 9,000 in 8 years. What will rupees 1,000 amounts in 4 years? At the same percent per annum. Now first of all understand this question. Rupees 7,500 amounts to rupees 9,000. 7,500 rupees प्रिंसिपल है जो बन जाता है 9,000 रुपीज। मीन्स प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट मिलाकर के ये अमाउंट बन जाता है। कब? 8 years के बाद। Then what will rupees 1,000 amounts इन 4 years। तो 1000 रुपीज अगर प्रिंसिपल है तो कितना अमाउंट हो जाएगा 4 years के बाद एट द सेम परसेंट पर एनम। मीन्स रेट इज नॉट गिवन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द रेट फ्रॉम दिस फर्स्ट लाइन। इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन, वी विल कैलकुलेट using these terms rate, and after that with that same rate, because it is given same percent per annum, same percent per annum means आपके इस प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट और इस टाइम से आपको रेट मिल जाएगा और फिर वो सेम रेट आपने नेक्स्ट सेकंड पार्ट में लगाना है where principal is this, time is this, and rate you are going to calculate from here, and at that time you will calculate amount. Means in the single question you have to solve 2 questions. So let's start our first part of our solution. Principal is given rupees 7,500. Amount is given rupees 9,000 and time is given 8 years. You have to first calculate the interest. Interest is equal to amount minus principal. Understood? So amount is rupees 9,000 minus rupees 7,500. It will be rupees 1,500. Now we have to calculate rate. Rate is equal to interest multiply 100 upon principal into time. Got it? Interest you have calculated rupees 1,500 multiply 100 upon principal rupees 7,500 multiply time. What is the time here? 8 years. Cancel these zeros. 15 ones are 15. 15 fives are 75. Right? 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 zeros are 0. It is 20 upon 8. Do more cancellation. 4 twos are 8. 4 fives are 20. 5 upon 2%. 5 divided by 2 will give you answer 2 whole 1 upon 2%. You know this 2 twos are 4 plus 1. 5. Simple सा division है ना. Now, rate you have got. Now we will calculate amount. Second part of our solution. Principal is given rupees 1,000. And for that rate is same. It is asked in the question. If you are not solving 2 whole 1 upon 2 in that previous part, then it is okay because you are using 5 upon 2 in your solution. And now time is given to you 4 years. Right? We have to calculate interest. Interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. So rupees 1,000 into rate 5 upon 2. 2 आपको मालूम है डिनोमिनेटर में चला जाएगा. Into time 4 years upon 100. Cancel these zeros first. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now what is left? 5 twos are 10, 10 tens are 100. So you have got your interest is rupees 100. So we can calculate amount. Principal plus interest. Principal is rupees 1,000 and interest is rupees 100. So amount is rupees 1,100. Got it? So understand the question first and then you can calculate easily. Very simple formulas are there. You have to use the formulas only. Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is solve questions 5 and 6 of exercise 5C in Maths Practice Notebook. Right? In Maths Practice Notebook, you will solve these two statement sums. Question number 5 and 6. Now we will do homework discussion of lecture 2. So take out your practice notebooks and you have to match your answers. Question number 3 and 4 were given. Question number 3. Seema deposited rupees 1,435 for 3 years and 9 months at the rate of 5% per annum. Find the amount at maturity. Maturity होता है कि जब इस टाइम पूरा हो जाता है तो उस maturity के बाद आपको कितनी अमाउंट मिलती है. Mature मीन्स परिपक्व होना, पूरा हो जाना. So write down you have to match. So you will check the answers. Principal is given, rate is given to you, time is given, 3 years, 9 months. 3 years, 9 months means 3 years plus 9 upon 12 years. 9 months and 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. It will become 3 whole 3 by 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15 upon 4 years. Right? Interest. Principal into rate into time upon 100. So principal is rupees 1,435 into rate 5%. 5% multiply time 15 upon 4 multiply by 100. Right? Now you have to solve this. You all have solved. After cancellation, if you are doing cancellation, it's okay. If no, you will multiply all these 3 terms. After multiplication, you will get 1,07,625 upon 4 into 100. Now divide this 1,07,625 with 4 only. Simple division करिए आप इसके with 4. Okay. When you will do simple division, you will get your answer. Or it's your wish if you have done by cutting or by doing all this. It's your wish if you have multiplied with 4 into 100. That is also okay. If you have done cancellation 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 0 0. That is also, you can solve it anyway, but answer is same in all the cases. Now here divide by 100 is there. And you can directly put decimal here. 26,906 divided by 100 will become 269.06. Okay. Calculation will take time, but be patient. You have to understand how to solve this. Now question number 4 was given. John lent rupees 1,900 to Sam for 45 days at the rate of 10% per annum. Find the amount returned by Sam to clear his debit. जॉन ने उधार लिए सैम से कुछ मनी रुपीज 1,900 45 डेज के लिए 10% पर एनम पे. अब उसे कितने रुपीज वापस देने पड़े. In this previous question, there was amount also to calculate in third question. So we have to do principal plus interest also. 1435 plus rupees 269 decimal 06. Amount also you have to calculate. Put decimal and then 2 zeros. 6 0 decimal 9 6 2. Start writing from last digit, that is 100th place. 0 plus 6 6 0 9 plus 5 14 6 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10 0 1 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7 and 1. So amount is rupees 1704 decimal 06. Okay. Now we will do question number 4. जोन ने कितना रुपीस लिए? रुपीस 1900. That is principal. कितने टाइम के लिए? 45 days. And it was explained in previous lecture, when it is in days you will divide by 365 to make it year. Rate is given 10% and we have to calculate interest. Principal into rate into time upon 100. So principal is rupees 1900. Rate, time upon 100, and here it will be 365. So after cancellation and calculation all, 2 zeros you will cancel. Now cancel this with the table of 5. 5 nines are 45. 5 sevens are 35. 5 threes are 15. Right? Now 19 multiply 9. 171 and 1 0 is also here upon 73. After division, you have to divide up to 2 places of decimal. So you can take like this also. You will get rupees 23.42. You all know how to do this division. We have done in decimal chapter also and in previous sums also. Now this is interest. After interest, you will calculate amount. Principal plus interest. Have you got the correct answer still here? If no, you have to understand how to do this calculation part. Formula is simple, you all know. You have to understand the calculation part. Principal rupees 1900 plus interest rupees 23.42 is equal to rupees 1000. See, simple it is there. 1900 plus 23, 1923.42. Okay. If you have got correct answers, it's good. Otherwise, do correction work. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.